Hello guys, I'm Moid Ahmad, an English teacher and a trainer. Guys, welcome to a new video. So let me tell you first that this video is basically for the beginners, but it may also be useful for the intermediate level speakers and listeners. Guys, when I said that this video is basically for you, for the beginners, I hope you could understand a little to me that what I wanted to say actually. Guys, I want to say that in this video everything is going to be in a very easy and simple language so that you can understand everything without any difficulty, whatever I am saying you, whatever I am telling you. Guys, this video is about a problem of listening. But directly it cannot be said that this is a problem in your listening. But yes, of course, indirectly it can be said that this is a problem related to the listening. And almost all the beginners have to face it. Guys, if I generally talk about the problems, I would say that no work is problemless, no work is problem proof. So one thing that I can say confidently about you at this stage, when you are beginner level speaker and listener and your journey, English speaking journey is going on, that you would have faced and overcome different type of difficulties, different type of problems, because I believe that nothing can be done without facing any kind of difficulties. Nothing can be completed without facing any kind of difficulties. So right now you are a beginner level speaker and listener, so definitely you have faced different type of problems. But guys, the problems I am going to talk about in this video is a little bit different. You may have to face at this stage. Guys, imagine just for a few moments that you are watching a video and you are listening to someone in English, and by the way, everything is easy for you to understand in that video. Everything is easy. You can understand everything, every sentence, every word and the points in the video. So now you may feel, and you feel, that I perhaps become very good at English. My English is very good. That's why, this is the reason I can understand everything the person is speaking in the video. And when I can understand this person is speaking in this video, why can't I understand any other person is speaking any other video, or any other person is speaking at any other place? So guys, you become excited and sometimes overexcited. But by the way, just after a few days or just after a few weeks, you come across another video, and now when you start watching that video, it is something in your mind. You have started thinking in a way that I have become very good at English. I can understand to anybody if he is speaking in English. But when you start watching this video, you realize soon that it is difficult for you. And when you completed the video, in the end of the video, you found that you could understand nothing, hardly a few sentences. Then you wonder that what is this? Has something gone wrong with me, or am I learning in a wrong way, or is the teacher I am learning with not good enough? You become worried about your English speaking journey. You get confused, and that's why you may lose your confidence. This is very important sentence in my video, that you may lose your confidence. This is your problem, and this is the reason I am giving you this advice, that you have not to face a problem like this. But guys, in the same way, you got overexcited when you saw the first video and you were able to understand everything in the video, and then you started thinking that you considered about yourself that I have become very good English speaker and listeners, and now I can understand everybody, whoever is speaking before me in English, I can understand everybody. But right now you are facing a problem. So guys, now I tell you that what you actually need to do to avoid a problem like this. Guys, some beginners are always in a hurry. They want to learn too much. They want to learn more and more, but in a short period of time. No problem. It's okay. It's very natural. Because almost we all want to have something in the same way. But guys, for that you are not going to make a mistake to watch a video that is not for you. Mean, you must recognize the videos first, and you are going to watch only the videos that is for you. For example, you are right now a beginner level speaker and listener, so you must watch only the videos that is for the beginner level speakers and listeners. But if you want to have a faster improvement, and this is very natural, then you must increase the timing of your listening. Instead to do any other thing, you must increase the timing of your listening. You must watch the videos that is only for you hours and hours again and again. But while watching these simple videos again and again and for hours, it becomes boring for you. Or for example, you are watching the video and someone comes to you and he starts talking to you. He is asking something to you, and you are giving answer to him, and at the same time you are watching the video, you are listening to the person speaking in the video. But you can do both, listening this person outside the video and listening that this person inside the video. You can do both of the things, both of the person at the same time without any difficulty. Now you must know that this is the sign that you must know that the time has come. You have improved a little bit. Right now you have entered into the next circle. Now you have become an intermediate level speaker and listener. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video.